Hi, fifth graders. We are going to start word study today, and I'm not quite sure where everyone is at with word study. I know that some of you have already done the Rupt, but you're just going to get a little bit more practice with it this week. So, our root of the week is Rupt, and Rupt means to break. Your expectations for word study are to watch the video lesson and then review what root words are. You're also going to take a look at the word bank, which I'll show you in just a couple slides here, and you're going to choose 3 words that you are unfamiliar with. You're going to take those 3 words, and then you're going to jot them down on our graphic organizer, and you're going to define each of them using Quizlet, and you're going to use each word in a sentence. So our word list, we've got abrupt, bankrupt, corrupt, disruption, erupt, interrupt, and rupture. And if you click right here on the Q and then click the link, you're going to access our Quizlet for our Rupt words. It might ask you to sign in, and you can just sign in with Google. We just have our 7 words, and you can click on the flashcard to get the definition. And you can also go to the bottom and see all of the words and definitions right next to each other. So to do an example, you are going to, yours won't have pictures like mine will. I'm just trying to walk you through some of our words. So the first word that we're going to look at is abrupt. And this means something sudden or unexpected. So if I know that rupt is to break, and I know that I wrote over here, means away or separate, I can put ab and rupt together and know that something is going to separate or break pretty quickly. So we just have the little visual here that there's an abrupt edge that leads right into the water. That'd be kind of scary if you were driving. So that's our word abrupt. So we've got one more that I'm going to do an example of, which is bankrupt. And I know that rupt means to break. I know that bank, like thinking of a bank involves a lot of money. So if I'm breaking the bank, if I'm breaking money, I might not have any money left. That might leave me with nothing. So I know that that could mean to be out of money. So those are just a couple examples of words with the definitions and the pictures next to them, and just kind of how I got there using other root words and other keywords of the word as a whole. So what you are going to do is from the word list, you won't be using abrupt and you won't be using bankrupt. You're going to choose from corrupt, disruption, erupt, interrupt, and rupture. And you are going to pick 3 of those words, and you're going to write the words here. So you could write corrupt here, disruption. You're going to write the words at the top. You're going to use Quizlet to find the definition of each word. I'm not making you go and look for it. You have it right there in Quizlet. And then you're going to write a sentence. A lot of 5th graders make the mistake that their sentence does not involve the word that's up here. And that's a big mistake, but mistakes are okay. Mistakes are something that we learn from. Whatever word you write up here, so if you write corrupt, you have to use the word corrupt in the sentence. So that's I'll even put a little note on here just as a reminder to do that. Otherwise, I will send it back. So we got to make sure those sentences have our root words. So that'll be our word study for today. And then tomorrow and Thursday, you are going to do some Quizlet games with the definitions. And then Friday, to wrap up this word this week, we are going to do a game of Gimkit with the definitions. I know some of you know what Gimkit is. Some of you are new to it. But that's just what we can look forward to this week. So let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, have fun.